In B2B marketing, innovation is the key to success. Today, we're excited to unveil a groundbreaking AI model that's revolutionizing the way Oppizi approaches missions. Oppizi has always used technology to enhance marketing strategies, and now with our cutting-edge AI model developed by fast data science, we're taking precision marketing to a whole new level. Imagine having the power to predict which missions are most likely to succeed before you even invest a single penny, placing brand ambassadors on the ground. That's the reality with our AI model. By analyzing vast amount of data, including conversion data from past missions, which comes from QR code scanning, geospatial data, data on past promotional offers, such as €10 on your first purchase, and data from third-party providers such as events or even mobile providers' foot traffic data, our AI can identify patterns and trends that would otherwise go unnoticed. This predictive capacity allows us to optimize our marketing spend so we can focus our resources on the missions that have the highest likelihood of success and maximize our ROI. We can improve mission effectiveness. So by knowing which missions are the most promising, we can tailor our strategies to ensure that they resonate with a target audience. And finally, we can gain a competitive edge. So our ability to predict mission outcomes gives us a powerful advantage in the market. Our AI model is also incredibly user-friendly. So it's implemented ultimately as an API using Fast API, Python package, but we've also developed a simple front-end interface that makes it easy for anyone to access the model's insights. AI transparency is also important. You can see why the model made a particular decision by exploring past missions at that location. Let's see how it works. I'm going to make a prediction for Uber Eats in Paris. So you can see I've selected client Uber Eats and I've selected location Paris. I can go to the front end and I can click generate missions. And it takes about a few seconds to generate the missions, and it will tell me which locations and hours of the day are the most productive for handing out leaflets. Our predicted conversion rates are a few percent for most of these locations, and it varies a bit. And we can see what time of day we're being told to run these missions, so 11 a.m., 5 p.m. And we've also got the location IDs, and there's even a map view. So for this client, I can see the key locations in Paris, and I can move the mouse over them. And I can see, okay, this is one with a bit of a low conversion rate, and here's one that's a bit higher over here. And you can explore all of that in this visualization. And this is a representation of the same information that's in the table above. I've got a view also showing the hour of day that's the most productive. And the predicted conversion rates come from an average of this client, Uber Eats, and also other companies in the same location and in similar industries. So all of that information is combined by an AI model. Now, if you want to see what the past missions were in that location, I can also explore that. So that allows me to understand the reason why the model has made these recommendations. And if you want to understand where these predictions are coming from, you can rely on that. So this is the AI transparency that I was talking about earlier. We can actually see, okay, let's say for locations in Paris, these are the observed conversion rates of past missions. And you can see there are some high converting locations and some low converting locations. So our model factors everything in. So if there were only 2 missions at a location and they averaged a very high conversion rate, we wouldn't just blindly go in and recommend that location, because in fact we take into account all the data that's available for that location, and we would factor in the fact that there's little data for that client, and we would perhaps use other missions from other clients as ingredients in the model. I can also explore the optimum hour and optimum weekday to run a mission.